So here's the news. Amazon is officially coming to Pakistan. The decision came after the technology company experienced a disruption worldwide, which largely impacted parts of the US and Pakistan as a whole. It is right time for entrepreneurs in Pakistan to take advantage of the amazing technology of AWS. Here are 4 ways in which business can benefit from using Amazon Web Services. Number 1. Cost effective and easily adaptable. Startups can easily fit AWS technology into their day-to-day use. AWS cost is modified based on customers' usage, regardless of whether you are a startup or a considerable venture organization. When you sign up to Amazon Web Services, you're presented with a very user-friendly interface called the AWS Management Console. This server interface provides access to a wide number of applications and services. AWS is great for building a business from the bottom as it provides all the tools necessary for companies to start up with the cloud. For existing companies, Amazon provides low-cost migration services so that your existing infrastructure can seamlessly move over to AWS. Number 2. Security. We come across with news of website hacks and data leaks in Pakistan due to which business suffer monetary and credibility loss. Safeguarding your business from potential information leaks and risk of hacks is of supreme significance for AWS. They have some well-perceived compliance affirmations and stick to security laws from around the globe. AWS currently has dozens of data centers across the world, which are continuously monitored and strictly maintained. Number 3. Flexible. Their flexibility and easy usage allows you to select the operating system, programming language, web application platform, database, and other services you need. You do not have to make any wild guess or invest in some scientific investigation to recognize the requirements of your framework. With AWS, you receive a virtual environment that lets you load the software and services your application requires. Number 4. Diverse set of tools. It is one-stop shop for all your cloud computing and IT needs. It provides a ready-to-use platform that you can take advantage of to increase efficiency and effectiveness. You really can't go wrong with this platform if you have severe or mild IT needs. Since all your needs can be managed by one platform, using the service also saves you the stress of having to keep track of various providers. While Pakistan's digital startup landscape has grown significantly in past 7 years, the ecosystem has its own share of challenges, particularly when it comes to regulations. With AWS in town, it would be a great step for digital ecosystem of Pakistan. Amazon Web Services has its network in almost 190 nations across the world and supports over 1 million active clients. They have as their customers some of the major as well as smallest organizations. So let's see how the digital landscape of Pakistan is going to benefit from Amazon Web Services. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for more interesting content.